So we will go through a new exercise. This one, instead of using the columns as before to determine the analysis or the views, in this case we use the values or the literals inside the columns. Okay, so you can see here, what if you have the input data with the following details? So the column is, the first one is market and segment, and then the KPI. We don't know what KPI mean yet. And then the columns, the monthly column from April to September. This one is very typical in accounting, financial and accounting reports because you can compare the month in the run. So you compare month to month each column in the same account. So if you read the other requirements in here, you can see that the bucket can be broken down into Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. So basically, you have 5 markets, and then the segment can be broken down into the 2 segments, with B2C and B2B. The KPI is the most important part, and then for this exercise, because it has the uh, measures here, financial measures here, sales and COGS, and then volume in the KPI alone. Okay, so in this case, if you in the other examples, you can use the column to determine the QOE views, but in this case, the other way, you need to look into the values or the literals of the columns in order to answer the question. Okay, so let us do one by one in here. Fiscal revenue recognition, can we do that? And then the answer is yes, because we have the number one in here already, so which is the sale. So this one, straightforward answer would be yet. Just select the order row, select order row with uh, with sale KPI equal to one sale, and collapse the monthly columns together into fiscal columns. Okay, so this one you have to unpivot, or you have to collapse the table a little bit. You have to make all the monthly column together in the same in the 2 columns. So your one column is the month name, and the other column is the value of the KPI, and then later you can group the values in any way you want. So you can do the fiscal, and then you can do the monthly also. So this one is also yes, but this one is very straightforward because we are provided already. So provided. Okay, we only need to select the section with the sale, and then yes, seasonality also yes, because we have the monthly data, and then we just, so also yes, we have the monthly data. So that's to concentration, can we do that? So in this case, we can understand the concentration of the market and then the segment also. So this one, yes, yes, with market level, not the customer level, not the product level. Okay, so just to make sure, not the product level and not the customer level, not the store level also. Okay, so just to make sure we understand each other. Growth, of course, if you have the fiscal revenue, and then the growth is straightforward. So this one is grow, we can derive the growth rate and then the contribution rate columns from the fiscal table. Fiscal table. Okay, so this one's straightforward. Profitability, profitability is also yes, because we have the COGS already. So yes, we have COGS, and sale, and then we can compute. and compute GP in this case, which is the sale minus the COGS, and then GPM go to the sale minus the COGS and divide by the sale also. Okay, so it depends on your value inside the COGS section. You have to choose between plus and minus. So if the values in the COGS section is minus already, then you just plus the two together. So it depends. You have to look into the data first. But in the overall level or the high level, we look into this formula first. Median, of course, yes, because we have the market, right? We have the market and we have mm, market, and then we have the price. So in this case, the average sale, bucket size will be the sale over the volume. And then yeah, and then we can buy market and break it out by my market. It down by market, and then we can find the anomalies in each month and each fiscal period as well. Price volume, yes, of course. Yes, we have sale one, volume one, and then AS up side one, and also sale two for the next year, volume two, and then average basket size for year number two, and then we can compute the difference. Okay, so yeah, so that's how we answer this case, and then the answer is yes for the most of the cases. Or actually, we can do the price escalation analysis, or in this case as well. So just draw we can estimate the escalation rate of price, the year-on-year escalation rate of price. So it's the same concept with the growth rate in this case, but then we do with the price. Okay, so in this case, we have to add one more block in monthly block. In actually, you have to one, two, three, four. Actually, you have to add five of them. So if I have to suggest this one, you can actually we can add more blocks or section into the data. So the block including, if I number the thing, and then it become number three will be GP, and number four will be GP. Number five will be GPM, and then number six will be the average basket size. Okay, so that's all we need to do for this exercise. So again, just remember this exercise is different from the other, because we have to look into the variable the values inside the column to answer the to determine if we can produce the QOV views or not.